Welcome to the Knowledge Academy YouTube channel. Today, we're going to answer a simple but important question. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's software that helps businesses manage their daily operations in one connected system. In many companies, different departments work in silos. Sales use one system, finance use another, and inventory might rely on manual records. When systems aren't connected, mistakes happen. ERP solves this. It connects all departments in one system. When sales log an order, inventory and finance can see it instantly. Everyone shares the same accurate information in real time. ERP gives managers a live dashboard, making it easy to track sales, stock levels, and finances at a glance. Benefits of ERP. ERP helps businesses work faster, reduces mistakes, improves teamwork, and supports smart decision-making. Examples of ERP systems. Some of the most popular ERP systems in the world include SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, and NetSuite. In simple words, ERP is like the backbone of a company. It keeps all the key parts connected and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more easy-to-understand business and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.